Hey, I'm Ken, and today I'm off-roading. This trip is completely spontaneous. I was not planning on going off-roading. In fact, I've never gone off-road camping before, with the exception of maybe by bicycle. And even though I had other plans for the weekend, I thought, you know what? I can live a little spontaneous and try something new. This goes along the lines with the ACA Bill of Rights. Kind of thought this would be a good opportunity to bring that up and how this fits in with that and how living life can be living a dream. One of the ACA Bill of Rights states, it is okay to be relaxed, playful, and frivolous. One of the other ACA Bill of Rights states that life should not be motivated by fear. A couple of different elements come into play here. I can be frivolous and I can be spontaneous. I can be able to adapt, and even though I had plans, they weren't cast in stone and nobody else was relying on me for those plans, so it was very easy to adapt my plans and be spontaneous and go on this four-wheel camping excursion. And I don't have to be ruled by fear. I don't need to let fear ruin my time because I'm going over bumps on the road and there's cliffs on both sides of me. I trust the person I'm with who's driving. And I don't have to be in fear walking through the wilderness here. I'm looking for snakes and I know they're here and I know I can be careful. So I don't have to let fear rule my life. So this is what happens when you work a good program. You get the rewards. You get that place where you can be playful, frivolous, not have to worry about living in fear, and be more adaptable and allow yourself to have fun. That's the key.
Let me just say, if the style can do it, we can do it. Who follows?
A lot of us don't want to allow ourselves to have a good time. We feel guilty, we feel like we should be doing other things, but in recovery, we've earned it. So go out and be spontaneous, be frivolous, do something that overrides your fear factor, and have fun. Well, I've made it to camp, and what a fun, bumpy ride it's been this afternoon. But what a great way to spend the day. So glad that I had the flexibility to change my plans and do something out of the ordinary. I was asked if I thought this was fun. And I have to say, after riding about 50 roller coasters in the last 2 months, today's ride was amazing. I'm at camp, I've set up camp, probably go back and cook dinner in about an hour or so. But for now, just walking around and enjoying some time to myself. Drop me a note in the comment section below and let me know, what fun adventures did you start giving yourself once you moved out of fear and into recovery? I'm Ken, and as always, thank you for watching.